I'm happy to be here today because we are going to do an SLISU Award. I am just thrilled today, Valerie, to present you with the SLISU Award. Congratulations. And so I do want to share just a little bit about some of the things that were brought forward in your nomination. You are winning for 3 things, so inclusion, stewardship, and unity. Inclusion in terms of how you work with others and include them. Stewardship is a huge part of all of your roles, right? And you do such a beautiful job there as well. But unity, there were just so many examples of how you go above and beyond your own work to work with others, whether that's kind of hurting the masses to work through a tough time getting insurance settled, or even stepping in at the desk and handling some of the push things because you're there and you see a need. And so that just exemplifies what it means to be a Boilermaker and certainly exemplifies SLISU.
To be selected for this award was very surprising and very appreciative and made me feel very honored and just overwhelmed. It was wonderful.
What stands out to me about Valerie is she is always positive. She is always willing to help. She asks if she could help additionally with us. She is able to assist our other team members when they have questions. And she also is willing to always assist all of our department customers.
I'm motivated by the fact that I like to do the best that I can do. I know I can't be perfect, but if I strive for perfection, anything less than that's still good. And I like being a team player, so the role that I'm in allows me to work with a lot of different groups and a lot of different teams, and that really helps me to succeed at being a team player and help a lot of people.